Hey everybody. My wife and I recently visited the Portland, Oregon area, and one thing Portland's known for is its food scene. And in the forefront of innovation there are these areas shared by a number of food carts. So we visited two while we were there. One is Cartopia food carts here at the corner of Southeast Hawthorne Boulevard and 12th Avenue. And then the other one is over here, the Hawthorne Asylum food cart pod that's very close by. So we just recorded and we hope you enjoy. Folks, we're here in Portland, Oregon on a sweltering hot day, about 100 degrees. We're getting there, but we stopped at Cartopia, which is a food court and a pod of food carts, and we just wanted to get something cold, so we ended up getting some fennel slaw from Burger Ritual. There are good options here, but we just need something cold on this hot day, so we'll give this a taste and see what it tastes like. Looks pretty good. Ooh, I like that. Cold, but a little bit of heat to it, a little bit of fennel. That heat builds up toward the end. If you like spicy, you like colds, it's all right. Pretty good. Hawthorne Asylum in Portland, Oregon. It is hot.
They said it's might be the hottest it's ever been here. One of the guys that's working at one of the food trucks, we ordered some Ukrainian dumplings from him, and we also got this cold Ukrainian malted beverage. Doesn't have any alcohol in it, but he said it's delicious. They I guess they really like it in Ukraine. Let's give it a taste. That's really hard to describe. It has almost like a bready flavor, like if you've ever had beer that kind of has like notes of like bread, toasted bread to it, but maybe like a little bit of caramel. That's really tasty. Carbonated. It's really good. Really good. However you say that thing.